9:21 the time. Welcome back. Daily COVID cases are soaring to near record levels all across the country. The United States reported more than 500,000 new coronavirus cases yesterday. That is the most since January 13th and more than double the average from 2 weeks ago. Well, now critics are calling out the president for what they say is an about-face regarding the government's role in battling the virus. Lucas Tomlinson now has more from Washington.
Republicans attacking the president over what they call hypocrisy. Nearly a year in office, President Biden now says it's up to the states to figure out their best strategy for battling the pandemic. The president enjoying some time away from Washington in Rehoboth Beach. New cases of the coronavirus skyrocketing, beating the previous 7-day average from last January, the highest number since the start of the pandemic. Today, the Omicron strain accounts for nearly 59% of new cases, eclipsing the Delta variant in the U.S. Health experts say despite the spike of new cases, hospitalizations and deaths lag from their peak earlier this year.
And I can tell you that when you look at the media headlines and even some of the talking heads coming out of the administration, it would seem that we are in a perpetual state of hysteria and panic.
Meanwhile, the president saying Monday there is no federal solution to solving the COVID pandemic. Republicans were quick to pounce. Arizona's governor tweeting, "The president wants it both ways. He's demanding governors resolve the pandemic because his administration can't. Yet he continues to push vaccine mandates on businesses with no thought to the consequences." And others agree with the president, claiming the states should have been in charge all along.
I'm not sure that it ever was a federally solvable issue, but I just think that the about face is pretty enlightening, isn't it?
There are also critics concerned about the mental and physical toll this pandemic is having on Americans, as well as the impact of isolation, especially among teens. In Washington, Lucas Tomlinson, Fox News.
Lucas, thank you. A consumer alert now. T-Mobile is hit with a